Welcome back. You're still tuned into Trading Hour on CNBC-TV18. It's time to talk about the commodity space. Manisha Gupta is joining us now, and today we are going to be focusing on crude oil prices. What's happening here, Manisha?
Well, if you look at this week, Sonal, we've seen the crude oil prices continue to decline. 3.5% on the downside until this week. Up till now is how we are trading. This is quite opposite or contrary to what we saw the crude oil prices in the previous week when we saw 5% of gains come in for that one. A bit of an uptick on your screens for the crude oil prices, and that comes in on the back of Israel and Lebanon accusing each other of ceasefire violations there. It was after many conversations, various debates that we did reach that agreement, but there are violations being accused from both sides, and that is where a bit of a premium seems to be coming back. The markets, though, are looking at weaker demand that we've seen from US and China in much of this year. Now that we have the 10 and 11 months of data in 2024, those numbers are not in the positive as compared to previous year, and that would continue to weigh onto the markets. Apart from that, there also is a gasoline stock surge that we've seen in the US markets on a week-on-week basis. So even as we are approaching holidays here, the number there continues to decline, and that's worrying. The next important thing to watch out would be the OPEC and allies meeting. Well, that was supposed to happen on 1st of December. Now it's postponed to 5th of December because there were some other events as well. So to avoid conflict, there has been a date change there. But even with that, it continues to be a virtual meeting, this one. And the expectation is that at this meeting, this would be a third straight time that OPEC and allies will just push ahead furthermore the output increases that they were anticipated to do. OPEC and allies have said that they will increase 2.2 million barrels sometime in 2025, but their final verdict or statement will now come in on 5th of December.
Thank you, Manisha, for spotlighting that. Moving on now to the